Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ethereum Classic. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Ethereum Classic has broken out a very big triangle and a falling wedge pattern as well. And this was my last video, by the way, that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if we move to the live chart, then you can see that on a 4-hour time frame chart and a smaller time frame, Ethereum Classic for the past several days, it is moving inside this quite long-term up channel. Recently, the price is once again rejected by the resistance of the channel and moving towards the support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And at the same time, Ethereum Classic has also broken out this big and long-term symmetrical triangle as well. You can see that the price end also formed this big symmetrical triangle that we have broken out. And recently, by the way, we also broke out another smaller down channel that I was showing you in my previous videos on the daily time frame chart. This is the down channel you can see. First, the price and broke out this down channel, then formed this up channel on the smaller time frame. And we will also take a look at this breakout from this channel. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for wheat, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 6th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the live chart of Ethereum Classic. And first of all, let me show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that since we have broken out the resistance of this previous down channel on the daily time frame chart, and now on the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that it is moving inside this up channel and forming nicely higher highs and higher lows. And this time, after forming another higher high, the price is about to form another higher low by testing the support of the channel. This time, by the way, the price can test the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $35 or $34.90. And in case of another bounce from this support, it can test the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $42.80. Now, for example, if the price then breaks out the resistance of the channel, then in case of breaking it out, the technical target will be here. That will be approximately at $51. And if the price then reaches there, then it can also break out this long-term resistance of $45 as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $45 has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here for a few weeks. And before that, for a few weeks, it has been breaking as a very, very strong support as well. Therefore, again, it can break as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Ethereum Classic. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then previously I have been showing you a breakout from this down channel. And I was telling you, even before the breakout, I was telling you that target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $40. And you can see that the price end has almost reached there. So far, it has rallied up to $39.97. So we have almost hit that target for the breakout from this channel. And now I'm expecting that soon it can also hit this long-term resistance of $45 as well. And now let's take a look at the weekly time frame chart. Then here, previously I have been showing you a falling wedge pattern. This was the falling wedge pattern that the price line broke out on the 7 days time frame chart. And at the same time, Ethereum Classic was also moving inside a symmetrical triangle as well, a quite long-term symmetrical triangle. You can see that the price line broke out this resistance of the triangle with the resistance of the falling wedge pattern. The same resistance of the falling wedge pattern was also breaking as a resistance for this triangle as well. And after the breakout, the price line pumped very well, but after that, it was stuck inside in another down channel, tested the support, the previous resistance of the triangle and the wedges support along with this uptrend line support of this triangle, and again geared up and broke out another channel. And now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout for these two breakouts from this falling wedge pattern, the bigger falling wedge pattern, and this symmetrical triangle. And target for the breakout from this wedge can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $85. And the target for the breakout from this symmetrical triangle As per this measurement can be here, that will be somewhere between $190 to $200. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.